What's more important, Netflix or being an influencer? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marshayla. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today is all about this look right here on your screen. It's giving neutral, it's giving colorful, it's giving different, it's giving jeweled. It's fulfilling all of my makeup fantasies, and I love it so much. If you want to see how I got this look right here, keep on watching. Okay, so I don't have my tripod that stands on my desk. I have one that like stands up on the floor now, so I'm trying to figure out a good way to have y'all so y'all can see what's going on and also look in my mirror at the same time. So I already go in and prime my lids with, this is called Becky Use eyeshadow primer, long lasting, waterproof. I actually got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the description and the link below. These primers are really good, like as you can tell. It's really good. It's kind of like a P. Louise dupe. So I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place Zula palette, and I'm going in with this nice brown shade. This is like my favorite brown shade ever. So beautiful. Now that I got that blown out real nice, and I'm gonna go in with this yellow color. I'm going with this yellow right here. Say hello to the tutorial.
Okay, listen, get me off there real quick.
Yes,
I need your card for $15 so I can pay the Netflix bill. I got $15 for you though.
Okay.
Okay, give me the card now so I can pay it now, please, if you don't mind.
I do mind. You can do it when you get here. You acting like you're not coming to my house.
I know, but just give it to me now so I can do it now.
I don't have the card in front of me now. And I'm in the middle of something very important, as you can tell. What's more important, Netflix or being an influencer? Manager.
Netflix ain't gonna take you no more than 2 seconds.
Manager, what's more important, manager? Manager's coming to my house. Manager's coming to my house. What's more important? Me stopping what I'm doing to get my credit card for her Netflix, not my Netflix, her Netflix. Alrighty, manager. I will see you when you get here. Let me text my Penn Station order.
So you ain't gonna send me the card? Send me the card. Take 2 pictures.
Alright, I carved out the crease. Looks very good. Now I'm gonna use my Artist Couture palette. Got makeup on it because it's been loved. I'm gonna go in with the shade Stripped, and basically I'm just gonna set my primer with this color. And it's a nude color. Now at first on this part I was just gonna leave it like brown, then my sister was like, go crazy, so I went crazy. So on the eyeliner part, I can't even, like, I have to take my time. So, but I'm gonna put the eyeliner in my crease. If y'all can't see it, I'm sorry. It's very hard to do on camera. But I just take your time and follow the guide that you just mapped out. That's the best advice. Take your time and follow the guide that you mapped out on your eyes already, and then you should be okay. Let's get it. Here she is. Took her time and she's there. Okay, y'all, I'm back. My camera died. Then my memory card got full. No issues now. We set. We set. Let's get back into the look. So I'm gonna take the same yellow and I'm just gonna go over the brown. Oh, and I probably should have mentioned this earlier. The eyeliner that I'm using is the Vivid Brights liquid. Oh, is it upside down? Okay, maybe this side. Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade Vivid Halo. This is in the shade Vivid Halo. This is the eyeliner that I'm using to create the yellow. Now, we don't want to lose that brown because she gets lost in the sauce a little bit. So I'm taking her again on my flat top. Oh, so much makeup. And I'm just cleaning it up a little bit. Like right here. Cleaning it up. Now I'm gonna do jewels. Jewels is probably my favorite part. I love jewels. If you do makeup and you ain't got no jewels, what you doing? What are you doing? Jewels are in, and they're so like affordable. I got mine on Amazon. Where else do you get stuff? Amazon, that's where I got them from. I got these jewels. They're like regular rhinestone colors, and they're like super small and then super big. And then I have these jewels as well, and they have like pretty colors. So I'm gonna pick the yellow rhinestones, of course. But first, I'm going to use my eyelash glue and map out where I want the rhinestones to go. Look at that. That's so pretty. I love it. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back with the finished look. This is the finished look. What do you think? Supreme is literally wrapped around my legs right now. Do you like your mommy look? Huh? Oh, okay, I guess that's a yes. Supreme likes it. Alright, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love this eye look. It's so pretty. It's so different. It's using like, it's fulfilling my neutral fantasy of like browns. Also my colorful fantasy with the yellow. And then it's like the jewels, the liner. It's like everything I love about makeup in one look. Alright, you guys, that is how I got this look. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.